business started in 1984. I'm one of the 3 original employees of Royce and Sons at the time. Later, we changed the name to Royce Industries. What attracted us to Landa is the fact that they have everything you need to start a business. Sales training, territory management, service training, electrical, how to diagnose, how to troubleshoot. Landa has unbelievable programs to help you in finance, whether it's through leasing, flooring programs, or just teaching you how to run a book. We consider Landa a partner. They offer unbelievable sales support. They have a whole host of RSMs, regional sales managers, are available to us specifically to answer all types of questions. Landa's marketing has had a significant impact on our bottom line of our business. Not only do they drive the customer into our businesses to buy the equipment, but once they're here, we have the opportunity to sell them everything that goes with the machine after. We have accessories, detergents, all types of consumables, from special Landa pump oil to fittings and valves that are branded specifically to Landa. You're always gonna have a technician that gets stumped by a job. It's unbelievably valuable to have access to somebody on the other end of a line that can offer you technical support. Landa offers that. Not all pressure washer manufacturers do.
Jeff Hugdahl, I'm the service manager at Royce Industries in Las Vegas, Nevada. When we're out in the field, we can call Landa anytime that we run into any problems, and there's somebody there at tech support that can help us.
Hi, my name is Richard Cross. I'm a territory manager for Royce Industries here in Las Vegas, Nevada. When I came to Royce Industries, I didn't know much about pressure washers, but with the training that I got here on site and also the web-based training from Landa, I was able to learn a lot. These are built to be used every single day for 7-8 hours a day out in the field, heavy-duty, rugged usage. We sell Landa equipment that's built to last and is built to work really hard out in the field. Landa is, in my opinion, it's the best of the best.
Hi, I'm Lynn Fisher, and I'm the Director of Sales for Landa. If you want a career or a business, number one, it is recession-proof. I have yet to see a dealer go out of business because of recession. Number two, the partnership that you're going to get, the friendship, the business. Not only will you be able to enjoy it, you'll be able to pass it down. It is a great business to get into. Go on to landa.com today, reach out to us, let us talk to you, see if it is a fit. If it is, we'll make you a dealer tomorrow.